Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I detail my motorcycles. Of course my sport bikes are different from my cruisers because they have chain and the cruisers have belts. I'm sure if you're going to be watching this video, you know the difference between a sport bike and a cruiser, so I'm not going to get all into that. They're pretty much clean the same way except for the sport bikes. I do the chain. I'm not going to go all crazy with the chain today. They're really clean. These bikes are not ridden in the rain or anything like that, or bad weather or anything, so they pretty much stay clean. Once a month I clean them really good and brush them, and I do all that, but that's not going to be today. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get started, and I'll show you what I do. I use all DIY detail products, so I use their rinseless wash. I use their polish. I use their all clean if it's real dirty or something's real dirty on the car or something. It's just pretty much a heavier, like a degreaser or an all-purpose cleaner. But I don't let my bikes get that dirty where I need any of that. Pretty much wash this rinse is all I need. Also, they all have been coated with DIY Details 3-year coating, ceramic coating, so they never really are that bad where I need anything that strong or anything like that. So I'll show you what I do. What I do is I take my little handy hose, I spray everything down. Rinse them off really good. Okay, throw that down there, and then I take my rinseless wash. And I spray it all over the bike. I let this rinseless wash start breaking down all the dirt and emulsifying all the dirt, so I can go in and do my contact wash, so I don't have to worry about anything scratching or anything like that. And I just let it sit for a little bit, then I rinse it off. Guys, don't be scared to clean your bikes. They're made to get wet and all that. Nothing is going to hurt them. Okay. Now I'm just going to let that sit on there for a little bit. Let it start breaking down all the dirt. See, it's loosening up all that. Of course, the coating is doing pretty much 90% of the work. So now I'm just gonna rinse everything off. Okay, now I'll take this. This is just rinseless wash. That mixed that 256 to 1. I'll take my microfiber towel. I'll fold it. I get these at Sam's. They're so cheap that I just use it once and throw it out. So I don't have to worry about towels getting grit and sand and all that crap in it. Worrying about scratching up my bikes or my cars. Just retouch everything up with the rinseless wash, just so I have more lubrication. But to me, rinseless wash is the only way to go. That and of course a coating. See, the towel comes out nice and clean every time I dump it. By the way, I am in Florida. Beautiful Florida. I know some of you guys are in snow and all that stuff. We ride here all year round. Well, at least I do. I am, by the way, getting the TST Industries back blinkers and removing, getting the tail tidy like on my wife's bike. We just did hers. I just haven't done mine yet. She has underglow lights and all that stuff underneath hers. She rides too. Unfortunately, we didn't get to go to Bike Week this year due to she got in a pretty serious car accident and she got hurt. And so she can't ride. She hasn't ridden since the accident. It's killing her too. But she'll start to feel better and we'll get back out there together on the bikes. That's what we love doing. Being together and riding together and shooting together and all that. My daughter, we take our daughter with us on the bike. She loves it. But we haven't been all together on the bikes in a while since the accident. But still got to keep the bikes clean. And I figure I'll just do a video on how I do it. I'm not saying this is the best way or this is how you should do it. Do your own bike, do your own way. This is just how I do it. It's simple. Don't need a lot of products. These products, I've had that forever. And I got cars too, so it's not like this is all I got. I have vehicles. I got other cars and everything. Don't mind my messy carport. This is just where I keep my extra bikes. A lot of people, they think that a 300 is slow, that you can't have any fun on a 300cc motorcycle, sport bike. And I gotta tell you, you are seriously wrong. You can have so much fun on these bikes. Not only are they really good beginner bike, I taught my wife on her R3, but I mean, they got plenty of power to take on highway. Here we got this highway called the 429. I get on the 429 all the time with this R3, and there's not a problem with passing or keeping up with traffic and any of that. Once you're on the 429, you're gone. There's no hesitation in the bike or anything like that. Now, you don't have the power of like a 600 or 650 or, you know, MT-09 or anything like that. No, of course not. It's a 300cc. But this bike will do anything that you want it to do or need it to do. It will go. You can even do hooligan stuff on this bike. And by the way, I'm doing this on my phone. I don't have no fancy equipment, anything like that. It's all done on my iPhone. I guess this is an iPhone 14. I don't know. It's one of them. I don't edit anything. I don't. So what you see is what I'm doing. I don't do this as a career or anything like that. I just do this for fun. And maybe to help somebody out. That's all. I just like bikes. So if you're liking my video so far, you like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next, or want me to show you something. I'm into guns too. If you've seen some of my videos, those are all mine. I have more, but in video. So if there's something you want to see, let me know. I might have it, or I can tell you something about it. I do have these bikes. Got two R3s, 2023s. My wife has the 223 Nightster right there. And then the other bike, that's my bike. That's a 23 Harley Softail Standard, which I'm going to do my way and put some stuff on there and deck it out. Right now we're saving some money because we're my youngest son just graduated from Navy boot camp, so he's in A school, so he had to go to Chicago for his graduation. Cost us a lot of money. And then my oldest son is at boot camp right now. We're about to be going to his boot camp graduation in April, so we're saving up money for that. So we gotta wait on the unnecessaries for the necessaries. So now I'll just take a clean, dry towel and I'll just dry it off. And then the only product that I don't use, and it's only because I ran out. If I would have had it, I would have used their DIY's ceramic gloss, but I ran out. And So I just went to Walmart and grabbed the Adams ceramic spray, whatever that is. And I'll put that on here just now. So I got some ordered, but it ain't got here yet, and I want to go ahead and make this video because I'm off today. So you see how good of a job that the Restless Wash does, and it's quick, it's easy, it's fast. I don't have to go all crazy with it because I keep my bike so clean that it don't really take that long to clean them. I don't have to go spend hours doing it, even though I can because I like doing it, but I don't have to. Especially when my wife, the boss, is ready to go do something on the weekend. You gotta get out there and get it done. Oh, and I will, by the way, dry that chain really good and lube it up. Chain wax. But I'm not gonna go crazy with this bike. Has just been sitting. I rode the other day when I did like a short or something like that, but that was all. It's been ridden in beautiful, perfect weather, so it's not bad. Like I said, I do the chains no matter if they've been driven or not, once a month. No, I just take some of this stuff right here, graphene detail spray. Spray it on and wipe it. And yes, we are a proud Navy family, military family. You don't like the military or anything like that, this channel is not for you. Oh. There you go, guys. I know I haven't even done the rims yet, but like I said, the whole bike is coated, and I'll wipe them down, but I'm going to end the video here. Alright, thanks.